My Virtual Academy is offering admissions for admission test preparation of Sukkur IBA University 2023 direct test. Course subjects are English, Maths, GK and IQ. Admissions are open till June 9th. Classes are starting from June 10th. Full course duration 2 months. There will be 2 mock tests and weekly tests of covered subjects. You will have access to recorded lectures, and there will be 24/7 TA assistance and free practice material and interview preparation. Classes will be online through Zoom application. My Virtual Academy is live on Facebook page. For admission, contact on WhatsApp 0349 720 4373, 0310 133 7704. Fees is just 3,000 Pakistani rupees for full course. Hurry up, register yourself.